Hello friends. In this video we are going to know about if error function. Frequently while working on Excel we face lot of errors. In the screen you can see in B and C I have two values. I am going to put a divide function over here, and when I pull this function I can see two errors. The first error is because my divisor is 0. The second error is because my divisor is having an invalid value, that is non-numeric value. As a result, my total is also showing up a error. To overcome this problem, we can use if error formula. If error formula is not any operations function, rather it is put on top of any original or existing function with the objective that in case if that original one throws any error, then what to be displayed. If error looks for following errors. Let's go to the data once again. Here you can see, for the sake of convenience, I have already put two additional columns. So the same function which I did, divide function, I will do it with if error. So on top of my original function, I am putting if error. So if error then started with my original function which is called as value here, then comma value if error. What I want to put, if this formula errors, I want to put as 0. Let me pull this up. You can see in the second row I am not getting error. Rather I am getting 0 what I have specified here also, and my total is also okay. There is one more variation to this if error. So I will put my original formula once again, comma value if error. I can customize this. I need not put just numeric values or 0 here. I can put anything. So I am specifying that in case of error, what message needs to be displayed. So I pull this up. So you can see wherever there was error, a custom message has come. So friends, this if error you can use on top of any formula, be it VLOOKUP, be it sum if or nested ifs, any long formula you can use if error. And I have a tip for you. Before using this, you should secure your original formula under a bracket. Imagine a scenario where you have got very long formula with lot of brackets. So while closing the brackets, Excel may throw up error or you end up screwing up the formula. So that's the reason whenever you want to put if error, it is suggested that you secure your original formula. Like this, you can write down and put a outside bracket and then copy it like this. And then go here, type as usual if error formula and open the bracket, then control V, then comma, then 0. In this way, there will be less iterations when you are putting the formula. So in today's video, this much only. Please let me know in comments if you have any confusion on this on or if you what you want to have it in the next video. Do like my video, share it, subscribe to my channel, press bell icon for future. Thank you for watching.